Welcome back to the Bird Chef. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a zucchini bread from scratch. So let's get started. Alright, first up we're going to add our eggs. Get all three of them in there. And then we're going to whip them up a little bit so they're blended. And then to that we're going to add our 2 cups of sugar. Two cups of zucchini shredded. One cup of oil. Get it mixed up nice and even. Then we're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And again, we're going to mix that up, get that vanilla blended in there. Alright, to that we're going to add 3 cups of flour. Two teaspoons of cinnamon. Alright, next up we're going to add our 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon nutmeg, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cloves. Then we're just going to mix that all up in there until it looks like batter. Alright, now we're just going to divide this between the 2 pans. They are lightly greased on the bottom to keep it from sticking. We don't want to overfill them because we don't want them to grow too much or be undercooked. Alright, now those are going to go into the oven at 325 for an hour. Alright, and there we have our nice beautiful zucchini bread, ready to just slice it up. And serve. Doesn't that look beautiful? And there you have our nice zucchini bread. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for our next video.